Welcome to the channel. In this problem, two shift registers are given, A and B, and we have to find out the output at shift register A, that is SOA, and at shift register B, that is SOB, after pulse T2. And the initial sequences are given 1011 and 0010. So before going to see the exact solution of this problem, let's try to understand the operation of shift register. So here I'm taking 4-bit shift register. This is shift register, which is nothing but the combination of the pre-clock, and the data can be shifted either right or left. So in this case, the data is shifting from left to right. So I'm giving the example of left to right only. And this is 4-bit shift register. For example, I'm considering clock signal also. And this is the input at the left side. And I'm considering the initial sequence, this one, 0, 0, and all are 0, so on. So for the first clock pulse, I consider this shift register, which is of 4-bit, clock is applied. I consider the sequence at the left side, 10, 11, 00, and so on. So what I'm getting after first clock pulse, that is nothing but 0. So what I'm getting after first clock pulse, 0, 1, 1, 0. This one will disappear, and what I'm getting 0, 1, 1, 0 after first clock cycle. Now after second clock cycle, what I'm getting 0, 0, 1, 1. This 0 will disappear. After third clock pulse, what I'm getting 0, 0. This is also 0 and this is 1. So this one will disappear. And for fourth clock cycle, I mean to say after fourth clock cycle, what I'm getting output 0, 0, 0. Which means that data is shifted from left to right. After first clock cycles, we are getting 0, 1, 1, 0. And likewise, 1-bit data will be shifted towards the right. So this is the basic operation of shift registers. Now see the solution of this problem. So here first shift register is given, that is nothing but A, and output of shift register is given to the input again, and output of first is given as input to the shift register B, and we have to find out the output B also. So this is A output and this is B output. The initial sequence of this A is given, that is 10, 11, and initial sequence of B is given, that is nothing but 0, 0, 1, 0. So in this case, the output of first shift register is given as an input to the self shift register, to the same shift register, and the output of first shift register is given as an input to the second shift register. So we are focusing on first only. So here, after first clock cycle, say T1, what output I am getting at this? So 1 bit will be given to the input again after first clock cycle. So there is a shift by 1 bit only. So what I am getting? 1, 1, 0, 1. So for A shift register, after T1 clock pulse, this one will be going to the input side. So 1, 1, 0, 1 I am getting. And after T2 pulse, this one again will be going towards this side, and this will be shifted towards the right by 1 bit position. So this will be 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is about the A shift register. So this one will be going towards the input side. So this will be 1. Then every bit will be shifted towards the right bit by 1 bit position. So after T1 pulse, this last one will be going towards the input side, and every bit will be shifting towards the right by 1 bit position. So what I'm getting after T2 pulse, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1 and 0. This is all about the A shift register. So what happened at shift register B? So this is the initial sequence 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. For T1, the last bit of shift register A will be coming as an input towards shift register B. So what I'm getting here, and the last bit will disappear at B. So what I'm getting? 1, 0, 0, 1. And for after T2 pulse, the one more bit, the last bit again coming towards the B shift register. So this will be again 1, this will be 1, and this will be 0, 0. So what happened here? This is initial sequence. So after T1 pulse, this one will be coming here. After T2 pulse, this one will be coming here. Fourth shift register A and fourth shift register B. The last one will be coming here and first one will disappear. Same way, the last one will be coming here and the first one will disappear. So what will be the output of shift register A? I mean to say SOA after T2 pulse is 1110 and for shift resistance and for shift register B, which means SOB, which is 1100. So this is the result after T2 pulse. Thank you.